guy.
Soldiers, today you have shown me that you not only have the ability but the will to crush and defeat the bastard brutes and destroy the heart of the banished.
Because they're my friends. As much as they annoy me, our bond is what makes it all work.
And that is because friendship is magic.
Impact.
Things you learned from the academy, they're not going to help you much here. All I'm saying is that your experiences from the military police aren't going to be the same as they are here. It's going to be a lot more weight on your shoulders, but just know we're a family here. We have each other's back.
Catch me. I can't read digital.
Hey, that's my line.
Serpent Studios.
You should totally subscribe to Serpent Studios.